Tonight, we are going to dinner at Barcelona. Barcelona! Barcelona! Okay, so I'm going to Barcelona tonight for dinner with my friend. I'm thinking to do Barcelona's like a really super fun, hip place. It's like one of those like, gotta get reservations in advance. It's like very loud. They have like a bar area that's super poppin', and then also like the best bread, honestly. Like the food is really good, but I really love their bread. It's like so tasty. Okay, so what I'm thinking to do is definitely like a skirt look and something really fun, because Barcelona's really fun. I love this one because it's got these fun pom-poms. And then I just got this skirt, and also I just received a delivery notification that these kind of off-white strappy sandals were delivered, and I bought them exclusively for this skirt, even though I think they're going to be like super universal. I'll show you. So I'm sort of leaning towards this one because I'm excited about the new sandals that arrived. Also, as you can tell, the tag is still on. So this is a new skirt, but really like any of these would be Barcelona vibes. And then for tops, since it's like summer and it's gonna be super warm, I'm thinking like a really thin white blouse with like, you know, a black-ish or like a fun colored bra underneath. So like any of these three I think would work well with these. Okay, so first I'm gonna do some exercise and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so my Sam Edelman strappy sandals arrived and I'm very excited about them. I think they're very universal, work ready and play ready, and once I saw that they arrived today, I was pretty much set on wearing this skirt. And I'm pairing it with this top that's a little bit flowy and fun. You know, Barcelona's a Spanish tapas place, so I feel like it's festive and we'll be sitting down and eating, so I'll still look, you know, like I'm there to have a good time. I'm also wearing this very light colored mint bralette that just like brings out a little bit more of the green. Yep, so this is our final look. I went with some dangling flower earrings. Again, the white and the green is our theme for the night with a little splash of pink. And also I did some green makeup with some like hint of mint and glitter. And I think we still have time before we have to meet our friends for dinner, so be cool. Should we go downstairs and have a glass of wine?